Hey guys, welcome to week 12, the very last week of the Seed2Seed Fall CSA. Thank you guys so much for supporting us and purchasing a CSA for this fall, and let's go ahead and check out what's in our last bag. First of all, we have just a special thank you for you guys, a little card just to really just say thank you for supporting what we're doing and our work. And hope you guys enjoy that. It's going to be in your side back there, or I'll give it to you personally if you're there. We have, in light of Thanksgiving next week, I wanted to give you guys an herb box. So there's some tot soy in here. There's sage. We have ginger. We have turmeric. We have oregano, and we have thyme, and then we also have a new item in here this week. We have sprouted garlic. Now the sprouted garlic has some health benefits that would be similar to microgreens, if you will. The sprouted garlic is actually better for you than regular garlic, and regular garlic is pretty good already. So we'll have some instructions and a couple of maybe Thanksgiving themed recipes, some ways that you can use the herb box. And then this week we also have a very colorful kale and mustard green mix. The cold weather does change some of the coloring on the kale, if you didn't know that. We have dinosaur kale in the mix this week. We have a purple curly leaf kale. We have a regular blue curly leaf kale, and these bright green ones are actually mustard green. So it's a nice mix this week. Again, you can use this fresh in a salad, or you can also saute it together. And we have some leeks this week. If you are not familiar with leeks, we'll go ahead and leave a recipe of a couple of things you can do with leeks, but they're pretty versatile. They're kind of like in the onion family, so it does have a slight taste in that way, but there's some really good soups and some different ways to use this. So that'll be in the bottom, the link will be in the bottom of the description here. And last but not least, last time we're giving you some canned goodies that we've made. This one right here is actually a pear ginger turmeric jam. So it's more of a savory jam. Sometimes you'll see like fruit jams that are more sweet. This doesn't have a sweetness to it, but because of the ginger and the turmeric, it's more of a savory jam. So I'm gonna put in some creative ways to use this with your Thanksgiving meal. So you wanna check that out too. That's everything this week, and I just want to say too that if you are interested in doing a CSA for the spring and you're a fall CSA holder, you'll actually get a discount. We do like to take care of repeat customers, and giving a discount is a great way to do that. We are also going to do a referral program, which means if you buy a CSA for the spring and you refer a friend and they buy a CSA, you will receive a 5% discount off of your CSA. So if you refer a bunch of people, you get all those 5% off, and that'll add up for you. So go ahead and you can share that. We have links on our webpage, our Facebook page, our Instagram. We'll be putting advertising on all of those things. So if somebody wants to send us a message, all they have to do is say that you referred us, and then you get those that 5% off. Also just want to remind you, if you are still looking for some of the stuff that we're producing, we're still at Bailey Park. Every Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. you can come check us out, and we also have a few other vendors that'll be there with us. So there's a pretty good variety of products available: meat, eggs, honey, greens, produce, mushrooms, microgreens, lots of different things. And for those of you who've already come by, thank you so much for stopping by and visiting us. We really appreciate that. And again, thank you guys so much for supporting us by purchasing a CSA. And we'll be sending out a survey for you guys. And it's a very short 10-question survey. if you guys could fill that out, that just gives us feedback on what you guys thought about the CSA, how you guys think it went, highs, lows, value, that sort of thing, and that helps us to improve our future CSA. So we'd really appreciate it if you guys could take 2 seconds and fill that out and get that back to us. Again, thank you so much for being part of our first fall CSA for Seed to Seed, and we hope to see you in the spring.